Hi guys, कैसे हो आप सब लोग? I hope each and every one of you watching this video right now is doing good. Myself Agniva Maiti and I welcome you back to our YouTube channel. तो आज हम बात करेंगे सेवन आइलैंड्स शिपिंग कंपनी के बारे में। तो अगर हम सेवन आइलैंड्स शिपिंग कंपनी के बारे में बात करें तो इट इज द सेकंड लार्जेस्ट ओनरशिप कंपनी बेस्ड इन इंडिया विद अबाउट 25 वेसल्स इन देयर फ्लीट, आउट ऑफ व्हिच 21 आर प्रोडक्ट कैरियर्स, 2 क्रूड ऑयल टैंकर्स एंड 2 गैस कैरियर्स एज। तो अगर आप चाहते हो कि आपका फ्यूचर इस मैरीटाइम इंडस्ट्री में एज अ सी फेरर आप सेल करोगे ऑन बोर्ड टैंकर्स एंड गैस कैरियर्स, यू कैन श्योरली एम फॉर दिस कंपनी।
हे गाइस, आप लोग वीडियो तो देख रहे हो पर क्या आपने फॉर्म भरा? नहीं, राइट। ऑल्सो स्किप नहीं होगा, इट्स नॉट एन एड। आफ्टर ऑल आपकी हेल्प के लिए ही है, चाहे मर्चेंट नेवी रिलेटेड बेसिक डाउट्स हो या प्रिपरेशन में हेल्प चाहिए हो। Our mentors are always there for you. So fill the form in the description and like this video before you go.
अब अगर बात करें उनके recently established Seven Islands Maritime Training Institute के बारे में, like they have recently opened up their institute. Not recently, like 1 साल हो गया almost. They were working on it from a very long time, and in the year 2023 they had also started with their courses in their own institute, which is Seven Islands Maritime Training Institute, located in Khopoli, Maharashtra. So and the courses which are offered here are ETO, GME, DNS and GP rating as well. The courses which are offered at SIMTI are GME, ETO and the very well known DNS course. Now if I talk about the eligibility criteria for DNS course, if you are a +2 candidate or a 12th pass out, you have to have a minimum of 65% in your PCM, and yes, there is a relaxation of 5% for SC ST category candidates as well. And for English you have to have a minimum of 60% in class 10th or class 12th. For NIOS students, I'm really sorry, you are not eligible for applying in Seven Islands Shipping Company. And yes, if you are an improvement student, you are eligible for applying in SIMTA. Also for graduates, if you are a BSc PCM or BSc Electronics with Physics pass out, you have to have a minimum of 55% in your final year. And if you are a BE BTech pass out, you have to have a minimum of 50% in your final year. And also you have to have 6/6 eyesight in both your eyes as you are joining the deck side. The number of seats offered by Seven Islands Maritime Training Institute for the Feb batch for DNS course is only 40 seats. So yes, there will be a tough competition, and also there will be shifted students from August batch as well. The selection procedure is more or less same as SIMS and Great Eastern. There's a written examination taken in online mode, which is a home-based written examination, post which you are called for an offline interview at their offices in Mumbai. And yes, that is the selection procedure. After clearing the interview part, you are taken up for the merit list. If you have a good rank and you have performed well in your interview as well, there are high chances that you might get a seat in this Feb batch as well. If I talk about the stipend and the waiting period, the stipend offered by Seven Islands for their deck cadets on board their vessels are more or less about 14 to 16,000 rupees per month. It is an Indian based company, so the stipend offered is not in dollars, it is in rupees. And yes, compared to other companies it is quite less. But the good part about this company, which I would really like to mention here, is the waiting period. Currently the company has a very less waiting period, I would say. Like the number of vessels, they have only 25 vessels, but apart from that they have a very less waiting period, which is 4 to 6 months. Like having less vessels and a less waiting period is also a challenge at the same time. Now if I conclude today's video, I would say yes, if you have a good IMCT rank and you're eligible for this company, you should surely go for it. And apart from this, you should also apply for other companies as well. But yes, if you get selected in this company, you should not think twice before taking admission. So yes, that will be it from my side for this video. Have a great day ahead and stay tuned for the next Feb batch analysis video as well.
Do you guys want the updates regarding the exam forms or the maritime industry in general? या फिर एग्जाम्स के लिए मोटिवेशन चाहिए, then you definitely need to follow our Instagram channel for all this stuff and much more.
Want the best notes and material for IMUCT and sponsorship exams? Want daily quizzes? Or do you want your doubts about your merchant navy career solved by our mentors? Search Budding Mariners on Telegram or click on the link in the description below to start your mariner journey with us today.